I think that can be the future, which is AI in your phone with 100% privacy.
मेरे हिसाब से ना यार, मतलब people don't agree with this, but मेरे हिसाब से personal privacy with let's say phones or with AI, it's a little overhyped. Because while yes I understand क्यों आपको अपनी photos personal रखनी होगी and you don't want, let's say, Samsung to be able to access your photos. No one is actually opening Samsung's database, looking up your name and finding कि आप particularly आज क्या कर रहे हो. No one is actually doing that.
Even if no one is doing that, but your data is not safe ना. कोई गारंटी नहीं दे रहा ना कि भाई तेरा डेटा 100% सेफ है. गारंटी तो देते
I,
हैं, but you also know that lot of big LLMs are trained on our personal data just because
yeah,
company has the data.
yeah, and that sounds malicious, right? And that might even be a breach of privacy policy. But like, do you actually care कि कोई LLM का एक वेट आपके डेटा की वजह से एडजस्ट हुआ है? इट्स लाइक, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आर्टिस्ट वुड से कि मेरे डेटा पे ट्रेन मत करो. योर पर्सनल डेटा, yes, you okay, fine, maybe you should be compensated for it or whatever. I don't see it as an issue as long as we are talking about data leaks, right? And when we are talking about data leaks, we could argue that your data is much safer with someone like Samsung than it is with you, क्योंकि भाई मतलब मिस्टर 40-year-old, आप तो कुछ भी लिंक पे क्लिक कर देते हो. Samsung is not going to do that. Okay, fine, we've seen examples where this might be possible. I am just saying it's not as big of a concern जैसे लोग बनाते हैं. It's like, oh my god, I want my privacy, I want my... है क्या भाई तुम्हारे पास? कौन से न्यूक्लियर कोड्स हैं तुम्हारे पास? तुम्हारी बंदी के साथ तुम्हारा एक फोटो है, राइट? If some random guy in Korea sees that photo, he does not give a fuck. Do you understand that? या फिर कोई मॉडल उस पे ट्रेन हो रहा है, that model is not going to output that photo. तुम्हारे पापा के पास वो फोटो नहीं जाने वाला है भाई.
हाँ
Like,
यार.
see, the thing is, the people that raise genuine concerns about privacy, I understand. The lot of the noise is coming from people that don't even know the function of privacy here. मतलब they are like कि अरे सैमसंग ने मेरा डेटा चुरा लिया. क्या था भाई तेरे डेटा में? What was in your data that was so freaking secretive? I get it if you work in a company, तुम्हारा कोई confidential document है that is maybe on your phone, that should not, that is not something that LLM should train on. But वो anyways तुम लोग AI tool में upload नहीं कर रहे हो, hopefully. In
Exactly.
that case, yes, their local LLMs would be useful. So I'm just saying कि एक बार when you're screaming about privacy, think about whether or not actually issue होने वाला है इससे या नहीं. Because AI that is running on $500 billion servers is always going to be better than AI that's running on your phone. So you have to choose which one you use. अगर तुम अपना एक गिबली फोटो बना रहे हो, you can use ChatGPT, don't cry about it. But if let's say you were